thunderstorm warning for southwestern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Middle Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source: damage without storms will occur before any impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds will continuing to cause the ground. Lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page.